But there's all the parts washed off. Revealed one of the ram collars. Will need a bit of attention. It looks like it's starting to screw itself out. As you can see, parts are cleaned up really well. Surprising what a hot temperature on paint will do. Revealed the original Powerfab, or part of the original Powerfab logo that was on the counterweight swing on the tail end underneath the bonnet. Give the carb a quick blast over on the roof just to take some mould off. As you can see, the carb will need extensive work. I think Thomas is quite looking forward to fabricating new parts where and when required. Yeah, keep tuned. We'll eat into it bit by bit.